I just wanted to say I took this, there's this program I went through a long time ago. And one of the things I thought was so cool, this guy was talking about really like deep depression and one of the most effective things that they saw for helping somebody really lift it and clear it and have it not be such a scary experience. And it was encouraging the person. There's two things, actually, I say one, two things. One was exercising. I know it's such like a cliche, weird like thing we hear all the time. But when you're exercising, you're creating chemicals in your body that balance things out chemically and hormonally for yourself. So that's like an easy walking, anything does that. The other thing, the thing that I think is the most interesting is when this psychologist, he'd say when he had somebody really, really going through it, he would insist that they go volunteer somewhere. And not because they need to be a better person or anything like that, but the thing that goes on with depression at times is that we think that we're not valued or we're not valuable or that our presence doesn't matter or that we don't make a difference. We don't see that we make a difference. And I was going through a really big low in my life when I heard that. That was in 2005. And I started volunteering once a month, basically for the next 13 years. I volunteered about 20 hours a month. And it just became this like, okay, I'm going to see what that's like. And it just became such a life-changing kind of experience for me to show up every month, no matter how I felt, and to really get it that my presence makes a difference. And it just like slowly over time, I got to see it. It's like, wow, I'm important. I don't know how to say that better, but for those of us that grapple with that kind of question, it was really helpful for me to show up and just get it. It's like no matter how I look, what my weight is, what my accolades are, how many zits I have on my face, like no matter what, how much I ate last night, how much I drank last night, I can show up and make a difference. And I started seeing that it's not just when I'm volunteering, it's kind of all the time. That's true. We all do, we all matter. There's people that would miss us if we weren't here. Like there's a truth about the value and the gift of our presence. And I know that's true for all of you.